As we create time and space, facilitated with compassion, finding our bodies and finding for our bodies a comfortable, safe space to rest, time and space to facilitate and to bring a connection with our relationship, with our breath and our body. As we slowly ease in to the space that supports us, as we feel our body relaxing, slowly bringing our attention to our breath. Notice how, as we ease our breath out through the exhalation, notice how the body responds. And as we relax our diaphragm, allowing the air to return, witnessing if the air does return, can we trust the inhalation that keeps returning? And does this trust allow us to relax a little bit more in the safe and inviting space that we have facilitated? And as we continue to ease through our exhalation, relaxing our body on our inhalation, allowing our body to deepen and to relax and release more and more tension, facilitated through the ease of our exhalation.